In this quick overview video, I will show you how Hangouts works. I will show you an interaction between my fake teacher account in Firefox, which I am using so it doesn't conflict with my Chrome browser. My fake student is in Chrome, so it'll be similar to what you use on your Chromebook. You would see your first name here with the down arrow. If you select that, there are many options you can change. I would like to point out that you can turn off the ring sound or the sound for incoming messages. You can see that the student has added me. I would like to ask you to not contact your teachers through Hangouts unless you have their permission. To add a person, you click the plus button and you would type in their name. So as you can see, I have test accounts in here. I'm just going to add this test student. And you can see that you can add another person, you can video chat, or you can send a message. I am going to send a test message to the teacher account, so you can see what it looks like for them. So now you can see how it looks from either screen. And if the teacher wanted to call you, I want to show you what that will look like. You want to allow your camera and your microphone. So I select answer as the student. So the screen on the left is my student screen in Chrome. You can easily add other people to your call. You would type in their email address or their name, and then you would hit invite, or you can copy the link to share somewhere else, like an email. If you need to control your bandwidth and lower it, you can do so here. If you want to send a message, you can do so like that. If you want to mute, you would click here and you will see that it's muted. If you want to turn off your camera, you click that, and this is what it would look like on both screens. When you turn off your camera, the little green light up by your camera lens at the top of your computer screen will turn off. If you see the green light, that means the camera is on. If you want to hang up, you would click on the red hang up button. If you want to share your screen, you can either do your entire screen or an active window. You would select the window you want to share and click share. You will notice it pops up on the teacher's screen. You don't see it yet on your screen because you are looking at the Hangout window. There is a thumbnail down in the lower right that you can click to see what they see. If you want to stop sharing, there is a button at the top, and there is also one at the bottom. The one at the bottom will stay with you unless you click hide. Now let's look at the active window that we are sharing. You will notice anything that I do in this window, the teacher can see. This would be helpful if you want to troubleshoot or see what is going wrong with your computer. If you are doing something on your computer and you can't figure out why it's not doing something you expect, we can do a Hangout session. When you are done sharing your screen, make sure you hit stop sharing. And then when you are done with the call, you would hit the end call. I'm ending the call from the teacher's side in this example, and I want to show you that if the teacher wanted to go back in, they could click to join the video call again, as long as you are still active in the call. And that is all I'm going to share today. If you have any questions, please let us know at onlinehelp@cherrycreekacademy.org. Thank you.